So I've got the purple radish. It's actually labelled Volcano. That is the proper name for it. So this one was drier. You can see it's a lighter in colour, and even though it feels sort of damp to the touch, I would give it another just splits of water. It's not going to harm it. And oh, this is a brand new tin. So these ones weren't screw lids. They were, so there we've got the seals on them. So these are a dark purple seed. So they don't show up as much as the China Rose Radish seed. Even though you'd think they are similar, they're really beautiful microgreen, the purple radish, and they are again spicy. They don't seem to grow as densely as the China for some reason. Again, so don't be afraid to give them make sure there's a good covering of that seed. So again, like that. And again, you can see that water sort of there, but it's not a problem. And that's the Rambo radish.